Today we're heading to one of Victoria's most dramatic coastal spots, Cape Schanck, on the Mornington Peninsula. It's a place known for powerful ocean views, rugged cliffs, and a long history connected to early explorers and the sea. This short opening gives you a quick taste of what's coming: wild coastline, sweeping views from above. Welcome to the Travelman channel. Cape Schanck was named in the early 1800s after a naval officer, Captain John Schanck, by British explorers charting Australia's southern coastline. For a long time before that, this land was cared for by the Bunurong people, the traditional owners of this region, who lived with the ocean and the coastline as part of everyday life. Even today, people come here to experience the raw beauty of the coast, to walk the trails, watch the waves crash against the rocks, and feel how powerful nature can be in this part of Australia. From above, Cape Schanck looks absolutely incredible. The drone slowly rises over the cliffs, revealing a sharp, rugged coastline carved by wind and water over thousands of years. Dark volcanic rock lines the edge of the land, standing strong against the endless movement of the Southern Ocean. You can see the walking tracks winding their way across the headland, guiding visitors toward the lookout points that sit right on the edge of the cliffs. As the drone continues higher, the scale of this place becomes clear. The ocean stretches in every direction, deep blue and constantly moving, while the land drops suddenly into jagged rock formations below. Slowly making our way down toward the beach, the walk becomes part of the experience. The path winds gently along the cliff edge before leading into the long set of stairs that take you closer to the ocean. With every step, the sound of the waves grows louder, and the smell of salt in the air becomes stronger. Along the way, there are moments where you naturally stop, turn around, and take in the view again. From this lower angle, the cliffs feel taller and more powerful. The rock walls rise above you, shaped by years of wind, rain, and constant waves. It's easy to imagine how explorers once stood here, looking out across the same ocean, unsure of what lay beyond the horizon. Down at the shoreline, the energy of the beach completely changes the mood. The shoals are constantly moving beneath the surface, and the water rushes in fast, swirling around the rocks before pulling back again. Waves crash against the black stone, sending water high into the air and filling the space with sound. The ocean here feels wild and enthusiastic, always in motion, never quiet. The water surges through narrow gaps in the rocks, creating powerful splashes and deep, echoing sounds as each wave pushes through. It's not a gentle beach, it's dramatic, loud, and full of life. Standing here, you can feel the strength of the Southern Ocean and understand why this part of the coast is respected as much as it is admired. Cape Schanck is also a place people come to simply slow down. Whether it's photographers chasing the perfect light, hikers enjoying the coastal tracks, or families stopping for a short walk, everyone seems drawn to the same thing: the raw beauty of this landscape and the feeling of being close to something real and untamed. The waves roll in with force, hitting the cliffs and exploding into white spray. From this view, you can really understand why Cape Schanck is known as one of the most dramatic viewpoints on the Mornington Peninsula. As the walk back begins, the climb up toward the car park gives you one last chance to take everything in. The sound of the waves slowly fades behind you, replaced by the quiet of the coastal bush and the soft wind moving through the grass. Looking back over the cliffs, it feels like the perfect way to end the visit. Cape Schanck leaves a strong impression. It's not just a scenic stop, it's a place shaped by history, culture, and the constant force of the ocean. And as the path leads back to the car park, the memory of those cliffs, the crashing water, and the wide open sea stays with you long after you leave. If you enjoyed this adventure at Cape Schanck, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Travel Man channel for more adventures and breathtaking views from around Australia and beyond.